What is going on, guys? Okay, that is a 15-pound turkey, and we are getting ready. We're going to be doing a solar turkey tomorrow and trying to cook everything on solar. So we are going to be using a pellet grill, a Davy Crockett pellet grill, to cook the turkey. So we're going to smoke the turkey, but then I'm going to try to do all the rest of Thanksgiving dinner just on the solar. No generator, no propane. We'll see how it goes. I'll be filming it, so you'll find out. But that's not why we're here. We are here because if you follow the lives, I've been talking about making ice cream, and we're going to make it. It's really simple. We've got pies, but we don't have ice cream. We need to get ice cream. So is it easy? No. Well, sort of. You're going to see. Hold on a second. All right, so we have got, here's what you're going to need to do this. We've got 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/3 cup sugar. You see it right in there. We're going to need 4 egg whites, 4 egg yolks, so the eggs are separated. And I have got a couple of bowls cooling in the freezer. We're going to pull those out. And I'm going to see if I can do this right in front of you as quickly as I can. I'm just going to use the bowl that I've got right there that's cold. Let's see if we can whip this up. So the first thing that we're going to whip up is the egg whites. And we're going to put them into our bowl. All right. And we're going to need our sugar. Now, I don't have a mixer, so it gets a little bit tougher with the mixer here. But let's see, we're going to just start adding sugar to that very slowly. And the bowl is cold, so we're going to use that as our mixing bowl. Get the rest of our good sugar in there. Now this is much easier with a mixer. If you have a mixer or a blender, that you can put this in there. Now I'm supposed to froth this, but I think this is as good as it's going to get. It is getting thicker, and the cold bowl helps. I think that's as good as we're going to get on that. We're going to go ahead and pull that into our ice cream bowl here. Next one we're going to do is our heavy cream. All right. See if we can get all of that out of there. All right, looks like it's peaking good. Throw that in there. Gonna throw our egg yolks in next. And now these aren't going to froth up. And we have a little bit of vanilla. So this is imitation vanilla, no particular brand. We're going to put about 1 tablespoon in. If you have a fresh vanilla bean, definitely go ahead and do that. I don't. Okay, there it is. About an hour later. Again, I just want to fold it until the lines disappear. It has a tendency to settle, so again, another good time to add in anything that you may want. Okay. Put this back in the freezer. Looking really good. And I'm going to do that. Our refrigerator freezes pretty good. So yours, you may want to wait 2 hours to stir that up, but you just don't want it to settle down at the bottom. Fold it over and until you can't do it anymore, and you'll know when that is, when it's frozen enough. About every 2 hours on your freezers that don't freeze well, and we're going to do it about every hour. So that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to have ice cream for Thanksgiving tomorrow, and I'll have the camera running, and we'll see if we can make our solar turkey day. But we're going to get out of here. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope you are with family and loved ones, and we will see you next time. Where's my happy hour? Right there. Live life full time. We'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
You